Hello, everyone. This is my review of the Funky Color Flames. It's a product that you can put into your fire to give yourself different color lights. It works best at night or in a dark area. It's pretty cool to put into the fire and see the different color flames come out, give it a nice little light show. As you can see here, you get the different color of the flames of the blue and the green and amberish color lights. It's pretty, especially at night. So I like this product. It gives your fire a nice little ambience and flair, and it makes it really enjoyable to look at. So this is my review of the funky colored flames, and I hope this helps.